Buddy English, parents often ask, how much time is enough time to study English? The answer is simple. Consistency is key. It's not just about how much time you study, but how regularly you practice. Experts recommend at least 10 to 15 minutes of daily practice. That's around 70 to 105 minutes per week. Far more effective than cramming a lesson in once a week. The more often you practice, the better, obviously. Number 1, active study time. For young learners, we recommend at least 2 30-minute lessons per week to build a strong foundation. Short, focused lessons help keep kids engaged while allowing them time to absorb new vocabulary and practice pronunciation. At Buddy English, we offer both 30 minutes and 60-minute lessons to suit different needs. Plus, you can support learning at home with fun activities, like listening to English songs, watching short videos, or practicing new words together. Number 2, language exposure time. Learning doesn't stop after class. Increase language exposure at home by watching English cartoons or stories, speaking English during simple daily tasks, changing device settings into English, or singing songs and playing educational games. The more English your child hears and interacts with in real life, the faster they'll pick it up. 3, keep it consistent and fun. The most important thing is to make English a regular part of your routine. 2 short lessons a week, plus a few minutes of daily exposure, can make a big difference over time. Consistency helps build confidence and fluency naturally. At Buddy English, we make learning fun and consistent, so your child enjoys the journey to fluency. Ready to start building your child's English skills? Come and speak to us at Buddy English.